Look here, y'all. You're gonna see this. Sitting here calling, jerking. Heard something. Looked around, and there is a turtle after me. I don't think I've ever caught up a turtle, but now it's getting pretty close. The turkeys have shut up. Every one of them has shut up for a little while. If I'm right about them, maybe 9 or 9:30 they'll start back, and that's when they'll be pretty easy to kill or call up. But I've got to move. This turtle is, I really don't know. He might have rabies or something. But he thinks he's sneaking up on me. Well, stay tuned. Me and old tortoise here is fishing to see if we can't find a turkey.